Hi, I'm Lee, and I'm the FP&A Technology Director at Revelwood. This video is going to help you learn more about IBM Planning Analytics. Planning Analytics has introduced a new administrative approach which entails a single location to perform all of your administrative tasks. This all-inclusive approach combines server maintenance, database configuration, and user definitions into a single dashboard. The way that you get into PA administration is by clicking the box at the top right corner. The administrative tool will initially show me a list of all of my database servers. For each one of my servers, it will give me a status. Is it running or is it stopped? If it's running, it'll give me statistics based on memory usage and CPU usage. It'll give me the ability to control the server by stopping it, restarting it, bringing it back up. It'll give me the ability to look at my log files to end all of my processes. In essence, it will give me the ability to perform all of the functions that I normally do through Windows services. I also have the ability to do more of a deep dive of the individual server simply by clicking on it. When I click on it, it will tell me more about the database health. It will tell me about threads, it will tell me about memory usage, it will tell me about CPU usage, and give me the ability to create thresholds where I can have traffic lighting with green, yellow, and red. It'll show me information about the threads based on the users, what's running, it'll give me time checks. It will also allow me to look at individual threads. It will give me the ability to control individual threads. If I know that one of my users created a view that's taking a long time to open, or if one of the developers created some kind of an endless loop, it'll give me the ability to cancel that individual thread without bringing down the entire system. Within a database, I also have the ability to manipulate my configuration settings. In the past, this kind of manipulation was done via tm1s.config file, maybe used through a notepad file or some kind of a text editor. Planning Analytics brings that configuration into the web environment. One of the settings that you may want to manipulate is your MTQ, your multi-threaded querying. In the past, this was maintained through a config file called tm1s.cfg. And the way that you access that file is to go back through a notepad file, manipulate the text, and then reference back to your TM1 server. Well, as part of the new Planning Analytics environment, this can all be done through the web interface. The way that I would access multi-threaded querying is I would go within the Performance section and expand it. I would see that there's a setting for MTQ. I could click on MTQ, and I could fill in a wizard. Well, this wizard is more than just fill in the blank. It's going to tell us the name of the setting. It's going to tell us information about it. Is it optional or is it required? It's going to give me the opportunity to manipulate the values. In situations where I'm putting a number, I have a wizard where I can increase or decrease. In situations where there's some kind of a trigger, I can use a drop-down menu and fill in the trigger. And if I'm not sure what I'm doing, there's a description that will tell me information about it. It will tell me what this setting does, and it will tell me what the default value is if I choose not to do anything. There are also other items that can be controlled via the PA administration interface, such as user settings, group definitions, lifecycle management. We'll be covering these other features in future videos. Planning Analytics administration allows you to perform your administrative tasks all within a single location. This means that you no longer have to go to Windows settings for some items, a notepad file for some items, and directly into the database for others. This approach will save you time and will simplify the overall maintenance of your Planning Analytics environment. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, or you can check out our website at revelwood.com.